she theater là she theo mong đi bộ nhà thế bộ hi nhớ trong the picture of the Hmong American Peace Academy. Good evening, everyone. My name is Austin Lee, or Mr. Lee. I am the theater director and the teacher instructor, and also the Hmong 108 and 107 Hmong linguist instructor at Hmong American Peace Academy. We don't share to choi iran go donation long yeah who iran me donate long. It is a great pleasure to be here to perform for you all. Before I perform this song, I'm going to give a little bit of detail about this song. And this is a song that I produced. And Jango Na, the title is called The Beta Hmong. And actually, a lot of my students in Hmong 108 right now is learning how to play this instrument. And they will be playing this instrument back here at the AAPI event. And so we're super excited about that. And I'm going to give a little bit of definition of what these lyrics mean. And the first one is thầu cú mê chỉ muốn lên từ bao bia lúc bê mong nhà đã chỉ. When I was little, no one knew what the word Hmong was. U thia li mun đo u bỏ thả, nữ tê bia lọ u shy. So I went to go talk with my grandmother, and she said, "Come, let's go and look." Đại ban đón từ nọ kết giờ. This Hmong story club tells about. Bê bỏ công nhiều công lưu ninh about our ancestors' life. That bay lumbe hulita, that what our name is called. That bay Hmong, that we are Hmong. Bue chandun di, bo konisha chika Hmong. So whether it's sunny or not, does it sadden your heart or not? Hmong, my Hmong people, my Hmong people.